everybody to another tutorial. Today I will teach you a simple thing, a simple operation that can save your day. So if you use Kubernetes, it is really important to copy files from your local machine to your running pod. So today I'm going to show you how to copy files and directories from and to a running Kubernetes pod. So if you are familiar with Kubernetes, you know that to run it, you can run it locally, like I'm doing today with Docker. You can have remote cluster running as well. The important thing is that you have some kind of cluster running and you have access to it. So to demonstrate this to you, I'm going to create a deployment with NGINX, with this version, and with one running pod. So to deploy this, we just need to, I have here the deployment. So we just need to do kubectl apply -f for file deployment.yaml. Great. So the deployment was just created. So we can run kubectl get pods and we have a new pod running, and it was created 6 seconds ago. Awesome. So if you see here, I have a resources folder here, okay? And if I go to the resources, I have a text file which has, this is a simple text file from local machine. So far so good, right? So let's go and try to enter inside the pod. So if we go kubectl get pods, you get this pod. So let's try to enter the in the pod's terminal using bin-sh in this case. So what you can do, kubectl exec -it, the pod name, and after that -- and your preferred terminal, and that's it. We're inside pod. Awesome. Now you can see we have multiple folders here. Let's go to the user folder. So we are in user folder, we have more folders there, and let's consider that we, from some reason, we need to copy a folder to this users folder inside this running pod. So let's go to our host machine and let's do our command that we want. So kubectl cp from copy, and now it will receive a source and a destination. So your source will be resources, okay, which includes our text file. Our destination will be our pod name. So let's get our pod name as fast as we can. And, oh, sorry, I missed that copy. kubectl cp resources, and now we just want to add this one, and now colon and our path, so user /. So execute that. No error, no success. We have some success. So if you do an ls, we see that we have now a resource folder there. Awesome. So let's go to resources and see our text file. This is a sample text file from local machine. Great. So now I showed it to you how to copy from host machine to a running Kubernetes pod. Let's do it the other way around. Copying from your running pod to your local machine. In this case, we are going to copy only the text file. So let's change the text file first. So since there are no text editors installed in this pod, we can just echo, and this was edited on remote pod, and just go and redirect to our text file. Awesome. Let's cut our text file. This was edited on remote pod. Great. So now we can just copy. Let's copy to here, okay? So kubectl cp. What is our source? It's our pod, right? So our pod name /user/resources/text file. Easy. And where do we want to copy? To desktop Kubernetes tutorial, and we want to name it again text file or new text file. Hit enter. Okay, and we have indeed a new text file here. Let's cut our new text file. This was edited on a remote pod. Great. So now you know how to copy a text, a file or a directory from and to a running Kubernetes pod.